Let's remake Oxytocin by Billie Eilish in 1 hour. I'll show you how to remake the staccato synth, the thick sub bass, and of course, how to make those beautiful Billie Eilish vocals. Oxytocin is arguably the most difficult track we've ever had to remake, so let's see how it goes. You can download the final Logic Pro project for free down below. And if you want to see more Billie Eilish breakdowns from Happier Than Ever, subscribe and hit the bell to see those as well. Stopwatch, 3, 2, 1, go! Key chords and BPM. Chords! People say, if they listen through the wall, the wall. This is a tricky one. I'm going to say it just stays with E minor. Maybe E diminished as well? E, G, B flat. Key, E minor. BPM. Let's click along to the track. I wanna do bad things too, yeah. BPM, 125. Keys and chords after 5 minutes, 19 seconds. Not too bad. Let's keep going. New track. Software instrument. Great. Change that to ES1. Mono. Synth bass. Sub bass. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is my favorite go-to sub bass. Worth checking out. EQ out below 20. Soundtoys. Decapitator. Throw a little bit of distortion. Maybe just a tiny bit. Yeah, beef it up a little bit. Don't forget to change the BPM, 125. Lovely. Let's record that bass. E, E, G, E, G, E, G, E, B, G, E, G, E, G, E, G, E, D, G. A few timing issues, but not too bad. Q to quantize, fix those timing issues. Functions, MIDI transform, fix velocity, select and operate. Control our low frequencies. Alright, I'm liking how that sounds. Bass after 10 minutes, 58 seconds. Not too bad. Let's see if we can keep moving at this pace. Create a new Logic drummer track. Let's record a 4 to the floor, a kick on every beat. Q to quantize, bring down the velocity, functions, MIDI transform, fix the note length with a sausage fattener. If we need more beef, we can use the sausage fattener. For the minute though, Command door to duplicate. I'll bring our low frequencies up beside our high frequencies and colors. Kick after 15 minutes, 22 seconds. Took far too long. What was I doing? Command D, duplicate track, native instruments, battery 4, stereo. Let's find some samples. Clap. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. Oh yes, Bob. Is that Bob? Oh, it says R&B. Nice. So let's use this sound and this sound. That's our clap on the 2. Let's record that in. We'll let them hit at different times. Find a snare sticky sound for the 4. Yes, the stick. Very good. So on the 4, we have the snare and the rim shot. We need more sounds. Put a bit of articulation on that guy. We'll shorten them. Let's add a snare to that one. Fun clap is something. Nice, adding a bit of punch there. Let's improve the claps. I wish there was some sort of straw hit. Maybe that one. Ooh, some low end could be helpful. So many sounds, but it helps. One last thing I'm going to do with that is duplicate tracks. I'm going to have the claps on one, snares on the other. And we're going to have the snare panned wide. And we're going to have the claps one single point. Beautiful. Command or duplicate across. We can add in more sounds later. That took far too long. 28 minutes. Don't copy me and spend far too long on sound selection. Now we're really under pressure. This is a really fun sound. Software instruments, retro synth. Start with that sound. You can add some distortion. You can add one of my favorite plugins, FilterFreak 2 from Soundtoys. Go to rhythmic preset, distorted 16s. Beautiful. Mix full. Wow, that's intense. Might need to turn that down. Let's add some high-end crackle with our OTT free plugin. Turn up that high a little bit. I think using the bend might work. Yeah, that's nice. Record it in. Bend down to B flat. Amazing. We throw some oak sound soothe on that in case anything gets a bit too shrill. Wow. Let's put a bit of reverb on that. So cool. A similar line for our third section. We're using different notes. Move it up a 4th. E to E. So tempted to put in Sidechain, but I don't think it's there. I love that. Finneas back at it again. 43 minutes, 33 seconds. Why does time keep moving? So sad. At least it sounds pretty cool, right? Right, guys? Duplicate a battery sound. Let's find some sort of shaker. Ooh. These two in tandem. R&B 1 and 2. Or Rob 1 and 2. Ooh, ho, ho, I like those. So we've got some da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Something like that. Quantize a little bit. Let's see if we can work with this bit. That's the general gist. Humanize a tiny bit. Let's loop that through this section. It grows in volume, definitely towards the end bit. Nice. Pretty sure that's the rhythm. But towards the end here we have and lots of BitCrusher. Something like that. And put lots of BitCrusher on it. I think that kind of works. The latency is killing me. Had to do with an empty space. We'll quantize those. Starts halfway through and then it also automates up. Very good. Might need them a bit longer. Nice. Let's just tune that to the right note. Is it semitone off? Semitone off. Nice. I love that. Let's fade it up all the way through. BitCrusher. The most important effect on this new album. Everyone's going to be using BitCrusher now. Look at it in all its glory. Oh. We need one more sound with that shaker. Maybe 2 sticks. Up an octave to where I have the other sounds. 51 minutes, 22 seconds. Oh, we're really struggling today. Let's fix this kick in the second section. There's a few extra hits. I think that's it. That's so cool. It's a drum fix, 52 minutes, 50 seconds. Not too bad. There's also a distorted hit on the 4 of every 2 bars in the final section here. We'll call this BitCrusher 2, and we'll make this guy longer. And we'll give him a bit more reverb. And we'll duplicate those across. Give them a color. 54 minutes, 44 seconds. A few more things left. Okay, it's vocal time. Sing some doubles in the first section. Pan out left and right. Left first. AKG 414 for extra whispery vocals. Quick tuning on that. And out the other side. Cool. Tune again with flex pitch. Drop all our vocals. Correct. Maybe a tiny bit of vibrato down. Going between B flat and B natural. 56 minutes, 50 seconds. Let's keep going. Harmony on these guys. She couldn't look away. This is so cool. Do love Billie vocals. Nice and intimate. Same again, really quick. Flex pitch. Turn down the vibrato. And make sure we're going between the semitone. And the chromatic movement is so nice. Lots of E flats. 58 minutes and a little bit, I promise. Response vocals over the third section. A little bit scary. Put a noise gate on that, and let's put a quarter note delay on that as well. Well. And a little bit of reverb on that quarter note delay to make it just expand out as it goes along. Oh, those are so cool. And that's time. Boo. Oh, dead on time. I love the production on this album. It's so good. OXYTOCIN is a perfect example of so many cool creative ways of using sounds and effects like BitCrusher. So you can guarantee it's not our last remake from this album. That's for sure. All right, let's sing it live. It'd be rude not to. Here we go. She couldn't look away. She wanna get involved. And what will people say if they listen to the wall. I can see it clear as day. You don't really need a break. Wanna see what you can take. You should really run away. I wanna do bad things to you. I wanna make you, yeah. I wanna do bad things to you. Don't wanna treat you well. That song is so trippy. I love it. It's amazing. They don't miss. If you want to see more remakes from this album, click here. There. Over there.